Listen to the voice from the wilderness. Listen to the voice from the mountain, voice of the true lion, Lion of Zimbabwe, Chaminuka. The voice is shouting, if my people, known by my name, shall call my name, believe in my name, shun all their anti-Zimbabwe activities, I shall heal their land, bless their children, multiply their produce, and their land shall be a land of plenty. Listen to the voice of hope. Listen to the voice of forgiveness. Voice thundering from the mountains. Voice rolling like a lion ready to defend. Chaminuka, the lion king. The voice pleading with you, my children, leave all your dirty pasts. I know you died with the enemy. You cursed my land. You abused my trust in you. Listen, I'm ready to forgive you and make you prosper. Repent and stand by my beliefs. This is the promised land, land of wonders. The voice is calling, repent and I'll give you rain. I will heal your offsprings. I will show you all healing herbs. Listen to the voice of redemption, voice of peace and forgiveness. Chaminuka, the great healer. The voice is wailing. I know you've departed from the ways of life as I taught you. You've lost the spirit of patriotism I endured in you. You've cursed the elders who have led you. You have betrayed my country. Some have deserted their birthright to live in faraway lands, dining with the enemy, but also being manipulated by the enemy. Repent. I'm ready to forgive you and make you mine once again. Just return to where you belong. You belong to Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe, the House of Stones, Zimbabwe. Listen to the voice, embrace the voice, jump in jubilation, for the voice is spoken. Chaminuka, the Lion King.